They never have 4, they usually have 1 or 2.
Right, exactly.
This is cool too.
NANI?!
Oh my God! Wow!
Sorry. Back to the video.
All right, let's see what this baby could do. It's kind of little. I feel like a big ass kid on this thing, but it can support my weight. So let's see what it's capable of. All right, got a pretty gradual startup. Not a too fast, but okay. Once it picks up speed, it does start, okay. I'm actually surprised by how, like, again, it's pretty small. Like, I'm 5'10", so I know, like, as I'm passing by people, they like, look at this freaking big ass black. What the hell? I'm hearing dogs barking. Yo, I don't need no dogs chasing me. On this thing, they will catch me. But no, like, I'm really impressed by, again, like, I'm 5'10", and, you know, even though this may be like a little too small for my personal taste, once you get going on this thing, like, it actually feels mad comfortable. You know, it can hit, I think, what's the max speed on this? 20 miles per hour? It can get you from point A to point B, you know? You ain't gonna be going like no freaking 30 or 40 plus miles per hour or nothing like that. But if you want something just to like cruise around on and, you know, not have it be too dangerous, because a lot of these e-bikes these days, they are dangerous. These scooters and e-bikes, they starting to get to where they're damn near like motorcycles. So this is like a very safe route. Let's see if this thing can support me if I stand up on it. Yo, look at this. This is literally like a diet e-bike. Like a mini e-bike. Like this, you know what? Like if I had kids, because suckers really think I'm trying to hide like kids or something. But this would be like a perfect entry point. If I wanted to get a e-bike for my son or daughter, and I didn't want it, and I wanted them to still like be safe because I was nervous, this would be, yeah. Let's test the brakes. Ooh, I like that little sound they make on the brakes too, like a, okay, hold on now. Wow, this feels, the brakes on this feel amazing. Probably some of the best brakes I've ever felt. Let's put it in eco mode. All right, now we're in eco mode. I think eco mode, the max speed you can hit is 9 or 10 miles per hour. So this is just like, this is like old people speed. Like you just want to like, you know.
Shady, I'm gonna go out and catch some air.
Like this is the perfect speed for that. Let's try drive mode. Okay, definitely feel the pickup. 15 miles per hour. Look like it's trying to hit 16, but it really don't want to. So it's staying at, okay, 15 miles per hour. And then on the one that I was on, that's when you hit, that's when you'll get that 20 miles per hour, which is sport mode. Sport mode on this one is 20 miles per hour. You pull up on some baddies like this, hey, yo, fine shit. As I'm letting the bell on, be like, hey, baby, you trying to hop on? She gonna be like, This is cute though, I like it.
Yeah, the Hiboy C1 is probably one of the cutest e-bikes I've been on. The bike has a 350 watt motor that powers it that can get you up to 26 miles of max range. Not a lot compared to the other bikes that I've reviewed, but again, this is an entry level, cheaper alternative e-bike. The bike itself doesn't weigh too much, which is 50 pounds, and is foldable, so transporting it should be a breeze. The battery is a 36 volt, 7.8 amp hour battery, so you want to use this bike strictly as a commuter e-bike just to get around your local town. Hell, bring your charger with you and put it in your bag if need be. And with its removable battery, charge it with ease anywhere you choose. Nighttime riding is even doable on the C1 with its front and back lights that give you enough light to ride safely at night. This is honestly the perfect first electric bike to get for your kid. Or hell, even you, if they've been wanting one or you've been wanting one. And most importantly, it's very safe, cheaper than other e-bikes, and capable of being used confidently. If you're interested in potentially purchasing this e-bike, the good thing is you can purchase it at your local Costco or on the website, of course. That's all I have to share about the Hiboy C1 though. If you guys have any other questions, please do ask and I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try to have a good rest of y'all day. Till my next video, my brothers and sisters, I'll catch y'all boys in my next one, all right?